Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI. So my husband has a thing for heated jackets, but when he found this one from ORORO that's not only a jacket, but can also be turned into a vest as well, he had to try it out. His first impression was that it was very lightweight and he loved the way it felt. It's made out of 100% polyester. You guys have to feel this material. It is so soft to touch. And he loves the fact that it doesn't make noise every time he walks or moves his arm. And unlike the other vest that he has that only heats up one specific area, this one heats all the way across his chest, his mid-back area, and his neck as well, which is his favorite. So now he can stay warm while playing his favorite game. He got the large size, which is typically what he wears, so it fit him wonderfully. He loves the fact that the battery can last up to 10 hours based on the type of setting that you keep it on. So you can either do low, medium, or high heat. And he also liked that it comes with a mini battery, so it doesn't feel bulky in his pocket when he's wearing it. And speaking of pockets, it has 2 pockets on the outside, and the right-hand pocket actually has an additional tiny pocket inside to keep your tees or your ball markers in. And then it has another pocket on the inside that velcros. This jacket zips up all the way to the collar, and then the actual collar has 2 magnetic buttons that hug your neck. So overall, this is just a really nice and comfortable jacket slash vest, and my husband really loves it. If you're like him and would rather freeze to death than say no to a game of golf, well, you don't have to worry about that anymore. Now you can stay warm and play golf at the same time. And that's my point of view.